Welcome to another video. To this video I'm going to show you how to install some window visors on your F150. These ones are from 2015 to 2025. Stay tuned.
Music bed.
These are the Maxzina visor rain guards for 2015 to 2025 F150. They consider it longer, which means it's for the crew cab. And so the kit comes with the 4 pieces that are for both front and rear windows, and also comes with basic instructions as well as the adhesion promoter so you can clean the channels for each one. Comes with some gloves so that way you can handle these. Extra double-sided tape if you need it, also the little clips that go in the channel, and then the little scraper to install the clips. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how to install these. Really simple on your F150. Let's get after it. These window visors are really low profile. They go right in your channel so they don't glue to the outside. They go right in there, so they're not as noticeable as the other ones, but they fit really well. They contour to the window really nice for your vehicle, and then they don't really obstruct the view from the inside because they're pretty thin, but they allow you to crack your window and be able to get a little bit of fresh air without water coming in. So I'm going to show you how to install those here on the driver's side, which I haven't done yet. Very straightforward. Let's get to it. First thing I'm gonna do is get my adhesion promoter, and you pretty much get one per window. And what you want to do is really wipe here, but against this side, because that's where it's gonna glue to the vehicle. So gonna use my little scraper. Just clean here. So you can see it's pretty dirty in there. And I'm only going in the area where they're gonna actually go. And since I'm doing this, I'm gonna grab my other one and do the back window at the same time. Also, you want to crack your window down so that way you have access to that. Now with the visor here, so I took the plastic off. You can leave it until you install it, but just be careful with it. I am gonna take this double-sided tape off the film from it, and then this one, which is one piece, I'm just gonna take it off here in the beginning, and then here on the front. And same with this one. I'm not gonna take it all out so that way it eases the installation a little bit. Now this is where it's gonna kind of be a little bit tricky, because you kind of have to bend the visor just slightly so it goes in the channel, just like that. And then before you stick it, take your tape adhesion off and just make sure that you are pushing it in and then outwards pretty good. Now this double-sided tape, you do want to have your window closed at least for 24 hours just to make sure it glues all the way in. And we're going to get the little metal pieces, and these are just going to help push the visor out, especially here on the front where the window goes up. So we're gonna put one down here. And then the other one, we're gonna put it over here on the back. And just make sure you push it all the way in. And then at this point, you just wanna turn the key on. And close your window. So the window being closed is pushing against it here on the seal, so that's just gonna glue the double-sided tape, make it sure that it glues on there pretty well. But that's pretty much the installation on it, so really simple. Let's do the back window here. So same thing with this one. Take this front piece off. And then this one, we're gonna leave it kind of sticking out. This one is a lot easier because it's just on top. Take that off. Same thing, I'm gonna put that clip here on top. That's just gonna make sure that it pushes it out. And then the window pushing against it's gonna make sure that it's all the way glued. Turn the key on. And just raise the window all the way up. So like I said, about 24 hours just to make sure that that is glued on there pretty well. But like you see here from the inside, or you can see on that side over there, there's not really an obstruction with these because they're very small on top. You really don't notice them that much. They're not gonna get on the way of your window or anything, so they look really well, and they are very low profile here on the outside. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.